namaste to all the wonderful and beautiful viewers watching my video right now. This is me Dolly, your friend, your host, and I'm again here in front of you with another beautiful DIY. Okay, so guys, today is a DIY day, and that's why I thought it is a very good idea to create something essential for our lips in this DIY. Okay, so in this DIY I'll show you how to make your own lip balm with the natural things. Okay, so without making any delay, let's directly move on to the tutorial. सो गाइस वो तो मैंने फिल कर दिया और अब मेरे पास में ये बचा हुआ है इसमें, तो आई एम थिंकिंग कि लेट मी ट्राई इट ऑन माई लिप्स कि कैसा होता है. Alright, and so right now I have nothing on my lips, and then I thought that let me try this on my lips out. smells so good, guys, and it is just wonderful. Try it at your home and don't forget to tell me in the comment section that whether you like it or not. Bye.